Hello and thanks for coming back to join me. Today I want to take a look at the Detail Bug Zapper from Andy Parry over at Detail Bug. Tell you a little bit about it. I used it back in the autumn at 1 to 10 on a reasonably grubby car and was a little bit meh, this is okay but not the best product I've used. I tried it again this weekend on a pretty filthy car at 1 to 4 and I thought, wow, you know, this product does reasonably well. I would say it takes away about 85% of the dirt, but what you've got to consider when you look at this is that it's £5 for 500ml, it's 25 quid for 5 litres, and you can dilute it down anything 1 to 50 for interior use, right up to being able to use it neat. And what I like about it is it follows Andy's theory of being able to, you know, everyone being able to use a product on their car, not having to be a pro. You know, weekend warriors like me can get just as much benefit from this product as someone who does it on a daily basis. So, to sum it up, it's price competitive, it's easy to use, it does work at the stronger dilution ratios, and it complements the range of products that Andy has available to you from the Detail Bug store. Coming up is a small video just to show you how it performed this weekend on my own car, along with a few still shots as well. And if you like the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you next time for another review. Next up, we'll have the Ice Bug Snow Foam. See you next time. So here you can see as we pan around the bodywork, there's still quite an amount of grub left on the paintwork, ready for Bug Zapper to attack. So having hit the paintwork with Bug Zapper at a dilution ratio of 1 to 4, you can see it's done a pretty good job at stripping off the majority of the traffic film and grime that laid on the paint. Visibly here you can see it's taken much of it away. So as you can see, Bug Zapper did a really good job. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.